Spring brings an influx of small black or brown ants into homes, most commonly house ants, pavement ants, and odorous house ants. House ants are typically small and range from light brown to dark brown, and they forage in long trails for sweet and greasy foods. Pavement ants are slightly larger, with grooves on their head and thorax, and they often nest under concrete or along foundations, so check gaps in sidewalks and floor edges for satellite colonies. Odorous house ants emit a rotten coconut odor when crushed and prefer sugary foods, but will take greasy items too, so different baits matter. For identification, start by observing size, color, and behavior at the bait. Measure roughly how many millimeters long they appear, and note whether they form clear trails or scatter broadly. Use carbohydrate baits for species that prefer sweets and protein, or oil-based baits for those that take greasy foods. Place small bait stations near trails, and keep them undisturbed for several days so foragers carry poison back to the nest. Seal entry points using silicone caulk around utility penetrations and door thresholds, and reduce moisture around foundations, because many spring infestations start where the ground is wet or where mulch contacts siding. The biggest mistakes are misidentifying the species and using the wrong bait, which delays control, so take a simple sample on clear tape and note what it prefers at home before buying bait. Relying only on surface sprays is another error, because sprays kill visible workers but do not affect the nest, so combine targeted baits with perimeter sealing. Finally, ignoring sanitation and moisture issues undermines treatments, so remove open food sources, store pet food in sealed containers, and fix leaky pipes or downspouts to reduce attractive conditions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we exchange tips and pangalaman about pest control and remodeling. We help contractors find work by allowing them to present services and engage directly with homeowners and the community.